What's up, everybody? This is the welding machine, guys. Hey, you guys like my new safety glasses? I got them from my brother. He works at Caterpillar. They look stylish, huh? It's like it protects my eyes. That's my new safety glasses. Boom. It's like, what, bruh? Just temporary. Just in case. Okay, this one thing you guys take in account. This is not a rat race. This ain't to see what I can get done fast and get it done. It's a slow, you know, it's like the story between that tortoise and the hare. Slow and steady wins the race. So right now, I'm not rushing to get it done. I'm just doing something every day that I can. Some days I don't do nothing. Some days I do. It just depends. So I'm trying to do something once a day, whether it be what I just did, or if it's painting the columns, or if it's cutting. Like when I cut it all up, when I cut all those pieces right there, I did that one day. Just something. If you do one thing a day, it adds up. Cause now, since I did that and painted it and put the cap plate on, now one day I can bevel it and weld it to the columns. I know if you're very anxious. Also, this is a 20 by 20 building, but prints are available. If you'd like to buy the prints, you can buy the prints. If you live in North Carolina, I got the seal of approval on the drawings. You got a 20 by 20 16 foot to 15 foot drop. And then you got a 20 by 20 by 10 foot to 9 drop. Alright guys, what's up? This is the welding machine. Let me turn on the welder. As you guys can see on my face, because this camera is just so good, you know. Look at that. That's all sweat, guys. It's, whew. Make sure you guys get water, especially when it's hot out here like this, and you working hard and you sweating. Get some shade, take a break, take a lunch break, take a few minutes, take a breather. Cause see that right there? That's real sweat right there, y'all. Like my whole body's like drenched right now. All right, so y'all don't want to hear nothing about my body. Okay, whew. All right, so this is what we got. Here's the, oh snap. Here's the columns. That's column 1, 3, and 2. I got them all labeled on where they're gonna go because one of them I had to drill out the holes an 1/8 inch more. So, but yeah, so this is what we got, guys. We added the extensions. The extensions, of course, are the rusted side, the rusted end. Excuse me. Whew. Okay, so these are the extensions added on. I did these ones right here. Pretty much all I did was take my my leveler, my blue magnetic level right there, and I get them straight, put the level up to it. It's magnetized, so it magnetizes on one side, slide the other side, get it straight as possible. Then I'll put it on the top of the tube. So first I put it on the side to get it straight, and then I put it on top. Then that raise up the level. So if I gotta put a shim under it to raise it up, I do that. And then that's what I've been doing to actually all of them. I had to put a shim on them, but they're all pretty straight and, you know, pretty good. So I got 3 more left to go right there with a 1/4 inch bevel. I don't know if you guys seen that, maybe it was too fast. There you go, with a 1/4 inch bevel all the way around. What's up, everybody? It's the welding machine, guys. We're back. Oh dang, did I drop some safety glasses? Don't know. But guys, you can see the storm is rolling in. So updates. Generator welder still down. I got a new pump for it, put it on. Still not pumping gas to the carburetor. So I think it's like maybe the tank ain't building enough pressure. So that's one. The welding truck is still down. Still trying to figure that out. Right here, forklift set a little too long, so it's not starting up. So I think it's some wires I gotta hook up. We got all the columns right here, and you guys see that one right there. We're gonna keep walking. See if you guys can still see it. There you go. 16 foot to the top. Hold on. 16 foot to the top. So I don't know if you can see the weld. That's 10 foot. One column a day for like an hour and a half it took to do it by myself. So I ended up getting help from this guy right there. Look, we put all 9 columns up. I'm gonna show you guys inside and we'll show a far away shot. I'm gonna flip the camera around. There you go. You got the middle column all the way up. Other columns, these are the columns right here, all base plates. A whole lot easier would help. I did the first 2, this one and that one by myself, and it was hard. So yeah, my younger brother helped me out. As you guys can see, the second one is crooked, it's out towards, so we got to bring that in. We're gonna probably use some ratchet straps, tie it off to the middle one to draw it in to line it up with these other 2, because if you boom, it's out that much. And dang, that's out by a lot, but we'll fix it. We'll just have to shim it up to get it right. Ain't no big deal. And same with the other one right here, same thing. We got to bring it in and square up the building really, and then we're gonna start putting angle across. It's 6 up. I mean, so that's a lot. All right, y'all. This has been the welding machine, guys. Hopefully this don't get corrupted, because then I won't be able to post this week. Peace.